In this question, we are given a square with area 36. So what is the area of square? Area of square is side times side, which is 36, correct? So if area is 36, what will be the side of square? Side will be 6. Each side of the square is 6. This is 6 and this is also 6. All the sides are 6. Okay. Now, it is given that the shaded area is 27. Shaded area means this blue colored area is 27. We need to find the sum of a plus b plus c plus d. How we can find this? Let's see. See, if shaded area is 27, what will be non-shaded area? What will be non-shaded area? What is this non-shaded area? Non-shaded area is the white colored triangles area. Yes, these white colored triangles are the non-shaded area. Correct. So this will be total area of square minus shaded area. This gives us 9. So non-shaded area is 9. Yes. So can we find this non-shaded area using some formulas? Let's see. Let these three white triangles be x, y, and z. Okay. So let's write down the base and height of all these triangles. So when we are trying to find out the base for triangle x, y, and z, we can combine triangle x and triangle y. What will be the base for triangle x and y together? This will be 6 minus a minus b. Why? Because 6 is the total length of this square. Yes. And if we subtract a and b out of 6, we will get the base of these two triangles. And what will be the height for these two triangles? Height is same, that is the length of this square, which is 6. Yes, the side of the square gives us the height for triangle x and triangle y. Similarly, let's look for triangle z. For triangle z, what will be the base? Base will be 6 minus c minus d. What will be the height? Height is the side of this square, that is 6. Height is the side of the square, that is 6. Okay. So here we have written the base and height for these triangles. Why we wrote these base and height for these triangles? Because the area of any triangle is half times base times height. Now we will use this formula to write the non-shaded area, that is 9. Let's see how. Now we can add the area of triangle x, y, and z. Let's see. Half times base. Base for triangle x and y is 6 minus a minus b times height. Height is 6 plus area of triangle z will be half times base. Base is 6 minus c minus d times height. Height is 6. What is this total area? This is equals to 9. As we have seen earlier, this is the non-shaded area. Now we can take half and 6 common from both the terms, and we will be left with 6 minus a minus b plus 6 minus c minus d. Correct? Now, if we simplify this further, what we will get? We will get 3 here, and we can cancel 3 and 9. We will be left with 3 on the right hand side. Now, if we simplify this further, we will be left with 12 minus a minus b minus c minus d is equals to 3. So this will give us the final answer, that is a plus b plus c plus d is equals to 9. This will be our final answer. The sum of a, b, c and d is 9.